I think there's a great quote out there, and I can't remember who said it, but if you can't look after the environment, you'll never be able to look after yourself. So this is a basic go back to core. If we don't look after this, we're going to fail as a human species. Well, I am a pilot, and it's like all things trying to find a purpose. So seeing the things that they did, it excited me. It changed from just a normal, mundane flying and making flying with a purpose. Funny enough, I was actually counting crocodiles because the people that I met were statisticians and biologists, and learning about crocodiles. They're a fascinating animal that could go back to prehistoric times and how they survived. But flying over crocodiles can be quite exciting, knowing that if you land, you're going to get eaten. Well, the only negative is that we do burn carbon, but the reality is it can do so much more. And the Bateleurs started by giving conservationists a view from above that was able to change an outlook on a massive area. And the reality is a lot of the work cannot be done. You cannot stop anti-poaching without aerial support. You cannot move some animals without aerial support. So it's there. It's part of it. And the reality is that by the good we do, I think outweighs really the damage, any sort of damage that we could ever have done.